Yeah, so everybody know me as Tyler because I'm a good Tyler, so they just call me Tyler. They just second as Tyler.
Known everywhere as Tyler, Dwayne Shaw is among hundreds of skilled tradespeople in Hanover. These tradesmen, who have years of experience in the construction industry, are specialists in their field despite not having access to formal training. But on Sunday, September 25, things changed for Dwayne when he breezed through an assessment and certification program which was staged by Jamaica's national training agency, the HEART Trust. Now, Dwayne is one of the happiest men in the community of Chambers Pen, where he lives.
What's your name, Mr. Tyler?
Dwayne Shaw.
Okay, where from?
Chambers Pen.
Okay. How long have you been a Tyler?
That's it for the past 15, 17 years.
Okay.
Maybe more.
Alright. Big expert.
The assessment session was held at the Watson Taylor Park in Lucy and saw more than 50 tradesmen from across the parish turning out to demonstrate their skills. Neatness and an eye for detail is the hallmark of a good tiler. As Dwayne explains, as a tiler, he sets out and measures, prepares surfaces, and with the eyes of an eagle, he groups and lays tiles in the desired pattern and then finishes to the highest standard and specification of his clients.
So what a technique to make it get so neat and straight like an arrow?
So first we'll come line it up around 2 lines.
As a tiler, he has contributed in many ways to the completion of successful projects within and outside the parish. Indeed, as a tiler, he is considered an interior designer's best friend.
Okay, so wipe it off now. Alright, so you've been doing this for almost 20 years, approximately 20 years, you say? Mainly hotels or the people's homes?
Yes, you name it. Hotels, church, people homes, all about anything that anything at all.
But you're one of the chosen ones that people go after to do their tiling in Hanover.
Right, most people, if I don't measure the most, you know, get done. If no matter how long it takes, you know, wait for me, so you have time and get it done.
So if somebody wants to contact you to for you to do their houses, we have a number?
Yeah.
You can get the number.
467-8650.
Okay.
Or 771-5572.
And the tiling that you do like, you know, the bathroom ones and tell me the types of tiling that you do.
All different types of tiling, anything. Wardrobes,
Well, you work with different types of tiles?
yeah, porcelain, ceramic, marble, mosaic, slate tile, all of them. Stone tile.
Okay. Alright, thank you.
Right, so these are porcelain tiles. So you have to try and get them as close as possible. Get the joints as very close as possible.
Why?
As close as I can.
Why?
Because it look more neater that way.
Okay.
Because of porcelain.
Tyler, how was the experience for you?
It was a good experience so far.
Yes.
Can't complain. Everything went smooth.
And you look happy.
Yeah.
Why you get so happy?
I look forward to this. Looking forward to it.
And you look forward to your certificate. Okay. How important is getting certified to you through HEART?
Very important. Very, very important. I've been thinking about this for about 7 years. I even tried Granville once, but they never have no guided coaching.
Okay.
So that's the reason why I never got it. So we're really glad for this opportunity right now.
How you think?
Appreciate it.
Okay, good. How do you think it will help you in future in your career?
Well, yeah, I think it will help me to be a better man at the job and financially so forth.
Because I understand that people know when a lot of people and some of the others wanted to come with certificates and so on.
Right. It's like you can just walk up to a person and tell him that he's a guy.
Right.
You can have some fish like this.
So congratulations. Your thing is just awesome.